Now let us draw a Bayesian network for a two-test cancer. What is that? This is the node for cancer, and I take the same test for cancer, say at two different labs. So the same test, but at two different labs. The two tests are now T1 and T2. So this is my dependency, because cancer affects the outcome of the test, not the other way around. So this is how I have encoded the dependency. And since the tests are same, I am just writing there should be actually P-T2 given C, T2 positive given C, T2 positive given not C, T1 positive given C, T1 positive given not C, and then PC. All 4, 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, 5 variables, probabilities, like positive given C, PT1 given C, not C, C. These are the values required to specify this Bayes network, right? But since it is the same test, both of them have the same value, which is 0.9. Both of them have the same value, which is 0.2, and this is as usual 0.01. Now you tell me, if you take that same test twice, like in one lab then in another lab, if you told the patient to take, and from both the labs positive results came, what will be your belief? When you took the test once, when you told the patient to take the test once and it came out to be positive, your belief increased from 0.01 to 0.0434. The probability increased. If I interpret this probability as a metric of belief, then I should say that if the computer uses this probability as a measure of belief, then the belief increased, and it seems very logical, it seems very reasonable, right? That is how doctors do. What do? They take the patient to take a test. If the test comes out to be positive, his or her belief that the patient has that disease increases. But since cancer is a very critical disease, and it may shake the patient if the diagnosis is done wrongly, so what the doctor does is he or she tells the patient that you do the same test from a different lab, and after that lab also, the second lab also comes out with a positive result. Now what does the probability come out to be? Now what is the probability given there are two positives? Applying the Bayes theorem, Now see, I will tell you. I have earlier told you that if A and B are two independent events, then PA comma B is PA into PB. The same applies in the conditional version also. If A and B are independent, then I can write as so applying that. Why are they independent? Because it is the same test going on in two different labs. How can they be dependent? They are not dependent at all. So it is P positive given C into P positive given C. And since they are independent, positive into P positive. How will I compute this? This part I already know. How will I compute this? Again, the total theorem of probability, right? I will not apply it like this, just wait. I will apply the total theorem of probability like probability of not C. I can write like this, applying the total theorem of probability. Now see what I am doing. Now I will break this. So now I have reached those probabilities which I already know, right? If you put in those values, plug in those values, I know this probability, I know this probability, I know this probability, I know this probability. If we plug in those values, it will come out to be 0.1698. Right. So now your belief has gone, the probability has gone even higher than PC given positive. So PC given positive PC was less than PC given positive, which is again less than PC given positive. So that is what we have seen. So if that is, we can now argue that if we use this probability, we have used Bayes theorem here, if we use the probabilistic model and the Bayes theorem as a measure of belief, the reasoning is coming in terms with common logic or reasonability of how human beings do. Since the doctor, if he sees both the tests coming out to be positive, then he will become more sure that the patient is really having cancer. And what do you mean by being more sure? The belief measure will increase, and see, the probability increases. So the probability, the numerical value of the probability can be used as a quantitative measure of belief. Till now we have seen that only. We will be continuing this discussion in our future video lectures.